Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we've got something special, a name that hasn't graced our roads in decades, but it's back, and it's bolder than ever. We're talking about the return of the iconic Pontiac GTO. That's right, the 2025 Pontiac GTO is here, and we've spent time with it to bring you a full breakdown of what makes this modern muscle machine roar. From its striking design and upgraded tech to the performance beneath the hood, this car is a love letter to the past, with a sharp eye on the future. So let's dive into what the new GTO brings to the table, starting with its exterior. From the moment you approach the car, there's no mistaking its heritage. The front end greets you with a wide, aggressive stance, featuring a reimagined split grille that pays homage to the 1960s classic while introducing modern aerodynamics. The LED headlamps are razor-sharp, flowing seamlessly into sculpted fenders that emphasize power. There's a subtle bulge in the hood, hinting at the beast that lives underneath, and active aero vents that actually open and close depending on engine temp and speed. It's not just retro, it's intelligently modern. Moving along the side, the silhouette maintains that fastback muscle car essence, but with a cleaner, more aerodynamic profile. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, and the low, aggressive ride height reinforces its performance intent. A blacked-out B-pillar and trim give the GTO a stealthy side presence, while the flared rear arches hint at the rear-wheel drive nature of this machine. You'll notice carbon fiber side skirts and lightweight aluminum doors that help shave off precious weight without compromising on safety or structure. Around back, the design ties everything together beautifully. The rear features sleek, full-width LED taillights that light up in an aggressive animation when you unlock the car. The quad exhaust tips are embedded into a functional rear diffuser, and the subtle ducktail spoiler isn't just for looks. It generates real downforce. It's muscular, modern, and unmistakably GTO. Inside the 2025 GTO, Pontiac has gone all in on premium materials and cutting-edge tech, blending muscle car rawness with modern luxury. Slide into the driver's seat, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit, featuring a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 13-inch infotainment screen with GM's latest UI, intuitive, fluid, and fully customizable. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in Alcantara with subtle GTO badging and magnesium paddle shifters. The seats? Bolstered performance buckets with ventilation and massage functions, wrapped in a mix of Napa leather and micro suede. Ambient lighting pulses to the beat of your music, and a 15-speaker Bose performance audio system ensures you never miss a note. Storage is surprisingly practical for a muscle coupe, and the rear seats fold down, giving you access to more trunk space if needed. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there are USB-C ports everywhere. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and a new augmented reality heads-up display that's surprisingly useful when cornering hard or navigating twisty roads. Now performance, and this is where things get wild. The 2025 GTO comes with two engine options. The base model packs a twin-turbocharged 3.6L V6, pushing out a solid 450 horsepower. But the real star is the GTR variant, a 6.2L supercharged V8 borrowed and retuned from the Corvette Z06, producing a thunderous 670 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic or an optional 6-speed manual, which Pontiac absolutely nailed for old-school fans. 0 to 60 happens in just 3.2 seconds, and it'll run the quarter mile in the low 11s. Top speed? Over 190 mph handling is sharp, composed, and surprisingly agile, thanks to the adaptive Magnetic Ride 4.0 suspension system. Whether you're cruising the freeway or attacking canyon roads, the GTO adapts on the fly. Brembo 6-piston brakes bring you to a confident stop, and the chassis tuning strikes a near-perfect balance between comfort and aggression. It feels connected, alive, not like some heavy GT car. This thing wants to move, and it'll put a smile on your face every time you push it. As for pricing, the base GTO starts at around $58,000, which is more than fair considering the tech, performance, and build quality. Step up to the GTO V8 version, and you're looking at a starting price of about $78,000. Add in carbon ceramic brakes, premium audio, track package, and custom paint, and you can push it well into the $90K range. Is it worth it? Compared to rivals like the Dodge Challenger SRT, Mustang GTD, and even the BMW M4, it's absolutely in the mix, especially if you want American muscle with modern precision. If you're someone who loves old-school muscle cars but hates the compromises that used to come with them, this is your dream come true. It's got the sound, the look, the street presence, and now the tech and refinement to be your daily, your weekend warrior, or your track toy. All right, that's going. To wrap up our in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Pontiac GTO, it's bold, it's brutal, and it's back with a vengeance. Pontiac may have disappeared for a while, but if this is their return, then it's a hell of a comeback. Let us know in the comments. Would you take this over a Charger, Mustang, or even a European coupe? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you on the road.